I'm Laura Banford, and I'm going to show you how to make some delicious island chicken. We've marinated our chicken in yogurt and spices, and we blotted them off a little bit. I have my grill pan heating here, feeling pretty hot. Now we pounded the chicken out so it hits the grill pretty evenly. Now we're going to put our chicken on, get it grilling. Only got to put 5 on. Wow, that looks good. And keep it going, grill it on both sides till it's just done. Then we're going to let it rest before we slice it. And when we come back, we're going to grill our peppers and our onions.